Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I simply just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Sure.
All right. How was the process like going solar?
It was pretty smooth, I'd have to say, from the initial um, greetings from the installing people all the way through until when it was completely finished. It was pretty smooth all the way through, and it was pretty true to the timeline that they had told me it would possibly be, even though it was done in the wintertime.
Right, right. Now, how did you hear about us?
Through an advertisement on the internet, I saw something through an ad, and I clicked on there for some more information, and that's how I initially found you.
Great. Now, would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with green home systems?
Sure, no doubt. I like the system. It has definitely uh, provided me some electric savings, and I've had a lot of questions because I'm the only house real close to me that has panels. And a lot of the neighbors have asked about how do you like it, including some of the people I used to work with.
Great. And were you able to recommend any of your friends or your neighbors?
Sure. As a matter of fact, a couple doctors that I worked with was asking about it, and I kind of gave them your contact information.
Perfect. Excited. Well, we look forward to helping them as well.
Great.
Thank you so much for your time today. And I think you did an amazing job. And I really appreciate you answering some of my questions.
All right. You're welcome. Thank
Thank
you.
you.